Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best beard trimmers in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best beard trimmers. The 5th product on our list is King C Gillette Beard Trimmer. Procter & Gamble is the parent company of shaving behemoth Gillette and the electric grooming tool experts at Braun. So, it wasn't a big surprise to find the two brands playing well together in the form of the King C Gillette Beard Trimmer. The King C Gillette comes with 2 different beard guides and can manage 40 levels of adjustment. It comes with a cleaning brush, but it can be run under a tap to clear its cutting blades and mechanism of hair, too. We appreciate that Gillette ships this trimmer with a carry case, which is perfect for keeping its accessories from getting lost during travel. However, while its adjustment wheel is clearly labeled and easy to use, we've found that beard clippings easily get caught underneath of it, but are difficult to remove. This trimmer costs nearly twice the price of our last best value pick, the Conair Beard and Mustache Trimmer. However, in testing, we have found that the Gillette has more cutting power and can be used cordlessly, making it worth the extra money. Even at twice the price of the Conair, it's great value. Up next, in 4th place, is the Remington MB4700 Smart Beard Trimmer. The Remington MB4700 Smart Beard Trimmer looks like it's from the future. It kind of acts like it too. Instead of having you fuss with individual beard guides, the MB4700 relies on a single guard and a blade that moves up and down in its chassis. With each tap of its touchscreen controls, the blades of this trimmer move 0.004 of an inch, 0.1 millimeters, with 175 different length settings in total. This allows for granular, near-obsessive control over the length of your beard, allowing for trimming lengths between 0.02 inches and just under 1 inch in length. While that's less than ideal for those looking for that urban lumberjack look, it's near ideal for anyone that keeps a neat, short beard, with the possibility of fading it to the hairline of the neck with ease. Once you find what works for you, the trimmer can store up to 4 different lengths in its memory. Its battery life isn't too shabby either, up to 50 minutes on a single charge. Part of how it achieves this amount of runtime is by sensing and adapting to the thickness of the hair it's cutting, revving blade speed up or down as required. That it can be charged via USB makes it a good choice for users on the go, trimming after a workout and then charging the MB4700 at the office? No problem. What's more, it's washable, making it easy to clean after every use. Our biggest complaint about this trimmer is that it relies on a touchscreen. It doesn't always register user touch when their hands are wet, and when it comes to devices used around water, simple is always better. We're more comfortable with a mechanical ratcheting system like the ones that Braun and Panasonic employ than the MB4700's overly complex interface. The 3rd product on our list is the Philips Norelco Series 9000. The Philips Norelco Series 9000 is a powerful beard trimmer with a sharp, long-lasting steel blade. We love that it also features a steel beard guard, a rarity in consumer lever hardware like the Series 9000. Given that the teeth of a beard guard tend to be the most delicate part of any trimmer setup, the durability of metal, instead of the plastic we normally see, is most welcome. What's more, it's powerful enough that we had no issues with making precise cuts to the edges of beards or sideburns without any tugging. The trimmed areas looked clean and professional. For those who like to take their grooming show on the road, it even comes with a leatherette travel case. However, we were less than impressed with the Series 9000's ergonomics. It's just not that comfortable to hold. Depending on the angle of attack you're making on your face, it proved to be downright awkward at times. This, along with a tendency for hair to get stuck in between its body and length adjustment wheel, suggests to us that you might want to take a pass in favor of something better. The 2nd product on our list is the Wahl Professional Half Pint Trimmer. A full-sized beard trimmer, like our best overall pick, can take up a lot of space in your gym bag or suitcase. For those who want to look their best on the go, Seamus recommends the Wahl Professional Half Pint 8064-900. He's been a full-time nomad for over a decade and likes to keep his load light almost as much as he digs keeping his beard neat. The Half Pint is a compact trimmer that runs on a single AA battery. This means that there's no need to carry a travel adapter with you to use it or even to be near an outlet. Turn it on, and its surprisingly powerful motor and sharp blades will power through even the coarsest facial hair. Small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, it's a welcome addition to any man's DOP kit. But it's not without its flaws. For starters, its powerful little motor is loud. You'll definitely notice it when trimming around your ears, touching up your sideburns or neckline. And because it's designed to be compact, it has a smaller blade width than the other trimmers in this guide do. With a width of just 1 inch, it'll take you a lot more passes to trim that shrubbery on your face. And finally, because of the limited number of beard guards it comes with, the Half Pint is best used for trimming shorter beard styles, freehand touch-ups, or trimming along your lip line. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Wahl Lithium Ion, plus stainless steel grooming kit. During testing, it proved capable of trimming close on all beard types, effortlessly creating clean, sharp beard lines. The sharpness of its steel blades and its power also make it a cinch to do freehand shaping on bigger beards. Most trimmers are not designed with an adjustable handle for creating blended beard lengths. That makes guide combs extremely important. This cordless beard trimmer comes with 12 guide combs and an additional 10-position adjustable guard that addresses all desired beard lengths and fading requirements. Its remaining accessories, a rotary ear and nose trimmer head, brow detailer, and shaver head, are much welcomed, surprisingly capable extras. This is a trimmer that can handle the most challenging beards and with the build quality to withstand a few bumps along the way. Its accessories were well thought out for the guy who may not have the time to visit his favorite barber as often as he'd like. And its handy pouch keeps all of its accessories in one place for easy travel. It is, however, not designed to be used in the shower. That's all for our list of the 5 best beard trimmers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.